Ka jingang nut ban kentiu kerdan ya ka Patharkhmah Administrative Unit syaka Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision kadi kawai ni jingang nut ka pakathan mat ke district Barok kawai ka ap khmi lan tibha labon telikisnam kaban long ka jinge jan jong ka jing sekri ka sarkar syaki pajba kathan bat ki jing mantoi ki babun kinwan da ka jing don jong Civil Subdivision Haka arteri uno para arjar arpar kathan Patharkhmah da ka jing kemen ka bakrau hapo ka jing lam jong MLA kathan uba sos thano sotun kila priang song bahayo menteri rangba ka jelau konrad kongkal sangma na ka benta banwan Plie ya ka Civil Subdivision ka bathamai haka ni kathan kabalalong haka Phuh ka Phieng bat ka Rong ka rup ka bitanan Shushu lala aruban Plie ya ka office trikam bathamai jong Civil Subdivision haka te ka sngi bat haka te jingilang Plie ya ka te ka Civil Subdivision ha Patharkhmah kalalong ka ba isyong kun baha kabalawan ban sakiru laki hajar ngut ki pajba kathan haka jingi dalang jong MLA kathan uba sos thana sotun wala trishtom ban pun urlong ya ka jing post new jong kathan de ki post nam ya ka ni Civil Subdivision nang tau MLA jong kandong stone uba Mak Milan bersat UMDC jong kathan uba Victor Rani Deputy Commissioner ke District Usri Arpit Upadaya ki officer na kita nak trikam baper jong district kentup daya kita ki hajar ngut ke pajba ki balawan ban yang sakilang
living in a very difficult condition out here for multiple reasons. I'm not saying we have been able to change everything. It can't. It takes time. It takes a lot of work. But I can confidently say that we have made a start. I can confidently say that from the day I came that day to Jirang Block till today, when I look back in this last 3 years, there may be a small bit of satisfaction in my heart and in my mind to see that the decisions we took, the visit I made, the schemes we sanctioned, that visit I made to Jirang Block in that particular day has not gone to waste. The opportunity that the Almighty has given us to serve you, to make things better for you, to change the lives of our people, I'm happy to see that it's not going in vain. It actually happened. And that's the reason why when the foundation stone was laid, when I had come to the same place I had landed, we had a big program and we had laid the foundation stone. People said that it won't be done. I don't blame them, because they have not seen it happen, so they didn't believe that it will happen. But today, they believe it. And I tell everybody, wherever I go, that if there is one thing that I am satisfied to some extent, to see the work in the last 4 years, that one satisfaction in my heart, and the biggest one I should say, is that we have been able to make people believe that things can change. We have been able to give that hope to the people that things can happen. People have been suffering for so long that they lost faith in the system. They lost faith in governance. They lost hope with all governments, that they thought that things will never change. But today people are starting to believe. Starting to believe that we can maybe actually resolve the border issue. People have started to believe that yes, maybe the roads can be built.
For the Jirang constituency, sir, we are all sitting here on this historic day that you will be declaring on this day itself above the upgradation of Patharkhmah administrative unit to a civil subdivision. Agni kaski kadai ka history ka khana pateng na kapateng. Haka ba pinsayosko by Honorable Chief Minister Jongi is a pinpana ban inaugurate Iaka Patharkhmah administrative unit Shaka civil subdivision. There also critics, many critics, they said that this will be only the foundation stone. Foundation stone and inauguration is a big difference. Bo maunong rim bat ka inauguration kadai ka GFR ka balabak-labak. Pinsaya slow kadai ka si bansa puli. Yaw SDO civil bansa function na do madagasi. Kadai ka jiglan na mata di paiba kijoi tam-tam na ta ki paiba ka western di boy boro ko wai. Nga sokmen na do kata na kalian junga kumu emale. Balai bala sokmen. Nama bagay ka jing ang lot ka jong di paiba dati po siam. And so I'm really overjoyed today. You know why? My manifesto election have been completed. Election manifesto kajonga. Lada ban pendaplut, but nyinget nado eleksi on sa pendaplut, but latam ni kaba nyibu haka election manifesto. Pada kaya baro akan dibuat. Abawan ke development, abawan ke blocks office, abawan ke civil subdivision, abawan ke development, ke repair ke departments, ada konsensi ke juga. Pilih bantip. Lalu hai ke baro. Iba ki padba kila sya jinja dagi hosnem. People have been suffering for the last many years. The people of Jirang constituency, especially the people of Western Livoy. And on this day, we are witnessing by ourselves each and every person, be here on the ground or outside, or be the person, those who are not able to come and attend this program. We are all in joy. We are all in great joy. You know why? Balai ni kemen, balai bang ihaban kemen. Ihaban kemen. Namar ba. Kene kedegaski. Kabansa jingkan mau. Haka history. Jong ka Western Livoy. Iborok away. Haka ba. Honorable Chief Minister Jongi. Insa announce laleban inaugurate Iaka Patharkhmah administrative unit Shaka civil subdivision. So the people of my constituency, they are very grateful of what you have done for the people of the state, especially for Jirang constituency.